At NTS Frames and Cabinets, laser cutting of steel and non-ferrous metals marks the start of our production. Combined in one machine with punching, the possibilities are endless. Precise bending of parts on our state-of-the-art machines is the next step, followed by inserting various nuts and bolts, ensuring flawless assembly in a later stage. Aesthetic and structural welding by laser light, as well as orbital welding, are processes used to build precise frames and cabinets. Granite, as a solid base for ultra-precise machinery, is lapped to perfection. Flawless finishing starts by preparing the parts. Degreasing, pickling or phosphating before priming guarantees the quality of the final finish. Wet painting and powder coating are done on both automatic and manual installations at a very high level. The final assembly of all parts is always based on exact customer specification. We passionately use our technological expertise and experience to excel from start to finish of the production of complex frames, cabinets and modules for high-complexity markets such as the semiconductor, analytical, the digital printing and healthcare sector. All of this with one single goal: accelerating your business.